Battery-powered platform DC traction drive system is ideal for moving heavy loads safely and easily throughout warehouses, offices, schools, and hospitals. It incorporates many features to make light work of heavy loads. It comes with 4 swivel casters, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, with 2 drive rubber wheels. Features an 800-watt electric drive motor with 2 45Ah batteries for power and onboard charger. The handle includes forward-reverse throttle control levers, emergency stop button, battery level gauge, and slow-fast speed switch. It has pinpoint turning and is accurate with the mid-axle drive feature. All models include a handle. One model includes without sides. Another model includes with 4 sides and your choice of 1 shelf or 2 shelves. Reduce injury and increase productivity with this high-quality cart.